So go away. Leave me alone.
Why are you right here?
None of your business.
Why? I need to know.
You just told me. I don't need to tell you nothing. You don't need to know jack, dude. You don't need to know jack. Why? 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 Why?
I don't know who you are.
Why?
Who are you?
Why?
What's your company name?
Why?
I can't slow down, I can't hold back, though you know I wish I could.
California Air Compressor Company. That's where I am, in the city of Compton, everybody. That's where I'm at. City of Compton. Oh no, seriously, dude, you don't want to come out.
You can't record.
Sir, you're ruining my video. I'm out here in public recording.
You can't record. I need to know what company you're from.
No, you don't need to know anything.
Why?
Because it's none of your business.
Why?
What?
You're in a property though.
This is your property?
Property right here. You right here, right? You gotta have permission to record right
No, I don't. That's a public easement, dude.
You gotta have permission to record right here.
Okay. Where do I get that?
You gotta company right there.
Nah, you're wrong, dude.
Oh.
Well, if I gotta educate you, you shouldn't be working for Securitas. I'm in public, dude. That says a public easement.
You're recording though. You're recording people coming out the property.
Sure I can.
Why?
It's a, what?
Why?
That's my business.
Why though?
Well, what's your social security number?
I don't have to tell you nothing, man.
There you go.
You right here.
That's what I just told you. Yeah, I can.
Why?
It's none of your business.
Why though?
Oh, dude, you're a parrot. Leave me alone.
You can't record though.
Okay, my delete button's broke.
You're in the front of the drive-thru. You cannot be right here. People gotta come in and out. The church gotta come in. The other church gotta come in. How you gonna be right here and recording if the church gotta come in, bro? Tell me that.
You're off your property, dude.
And I'm just saying,
You're off your property.
You got a camera in front of my face.
You walked up to me. You walked up to me.
Why? Because you acting suspicious.
Is that a misdemeanor or felony?
Yeah, you acting suspicious.
Okay.
Why
What are you
here,
going to do
though?
about
I
it?
need to know- I can't do nothing about it.
Right, so go away. Leave me
Why are
alone.
you right here?
None
though?
of your business.
Why? I need to know.
You just told me. I don't need to tell you nothing. You don't need to know jack, dude. You don't need to know jack. Why? 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 Why?
I don't know who you are.
Why?
Who are you?
Why?
What's your company name?
Why? Why?
Who are you?
Why?
Who are you?
Why?
Who are you?
Why?
Who are you?
Why?
You right here with a
Why?
camera in front of my face,
Why?
bro. You
You-
right here with a camera in front of my face.
Why?
bro.
Why?
If you want to, I could press charges on you with this camera in my face.
Go ahead.
Right.
Do it.
I could.
Go do it. Do it.
Why you right here?
Why?
Why you right
Why?
here?
Why?
I need to know
Why?
why.
Why?
The manager needs to
Why?
know why you right
Why?
here, bro.
Why?
Why? You got a camera
Why?
in front of the people.
Why?
in and out.
Why?
Who you looking for?
Why?
Who you looking for?
Why?
Who you looking for?
Why?
Who are you looking
Why?
for? I need
Why?
to know who are you looking
Why?
for? Who are you looking for?
Why?
Who are you looking
Why? Why? Bye. Why? Can't fix stupid, people. Walks up to me and tells me I got the camera in his face. What a moron. Why? Why? Bye. Bye. Why? Bye. Bye. Why? Look at this moron. Get ready, everybody. Why? 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 Bye. Bye, why? Bye, why? Stay right there. Stay right there, bye-bye. Bye, why? 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 This guy was saying why to me just consistently, so I'm parroting him. Why? Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, why? What an idiot. Whole time I'm standing right here and he's telling me that I'm standing over here on his property. Guy's such a dirtbag. That's what they do. They all lie. Let's see. Get the security cameras, folks. Where are they? There's one down there at the front, but I don't see anything right here at the corner. Where'd you go? Bye-bye? Why? Why'd you go bye-bye? Idiot boy. There's the idiot boy right there. Check your tail. Check your tail. Oh, that's illegal, you said. You said it was illegal. You need my consent. You're an idiot. Come off your property more, dude. You're going to lose your job at Securitas. You're going to lose your job. What's your BSIF number? Identify yourself. Give me your BIS number, dude. You got to identify when the public asks you, man.
What's your idea? What are you here for? Why are you here? Beautiful. Wow, it's hurting you.
What you gonna do, man? Pull up your pants, man. Good luck finding a new job, idiot. Look, they're neighbors, everybody. This guy came across the street. This guy came out. Lose your job, bro. Find one. Good luck in retail. All the stores are closed.
Hell no, to the no, 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 yeah, to the no.